Welcome back. You are on session 4. Congratulations. That is some progress and I am extremely proud of you. The 3 movements we are doing today, slow climbers. Yes, this one's really targeting the entire body, strength for the upper body, lower body and the midsection. And then we have the cross chops, which is primarily a lot of the shoulders, but driving from your midsection. And then we have the flutter kicks. You remember this one in the first session? It really blasted those abs. But no pain, no gain. So before the main movements, let's get some warm-up. Our first warm-up movement is the arm swing. A simple swing of the arms up and down. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Keep your elbows soft. And swing your arms up and down. This one's really opening up the shoulders. And also warming up the chest. Almost there, last 10 seconds. Take it all the way up and all the way back down. And done. Your second warm-up movement is the hip rotation. So we're going to go clockwise and anti-clockwise. 15 seconds on each side. I just want to see a nice big rotation. Keep your feet a little wider than hip width. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Go. Keep your knees soft. Let those rotations be nice and large. Really opening up the hip flexors and change side. Focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale deep. And done. Your third warm-up movement is downward to arch. Really opening up the chest and the midsection. Let's go to the downward position. And from here, we go into an arch. And come straight back up, back to the arch. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Go all the way down, lift that chest up, and back to downward. Try and push your heel all the way down to the ground. And now chest down and lift it up. Elbows soft, go back to the arch. Last 10 seconds. One more. Let that hamstring stretch. And done. Our first movement is the slow climber. This one you have done in your previous session. Let's go down to the downward position and bring your knee in closer to the elbow, one at a time. 30 seconds on the clock together. Let's go. You are in session 4 and this means you have progressed beautifully, so you can add some speed to these climbers. But ensure we have full range of motion. Focus on the breathing. Come on, last 10 seconds. We're doing good. Almost there, come on. And done. Your second movement is the cross chop. Let's hold that axe in the hand, keep your feet wide and chop. That's it, okay? You can go a little lower, you can bend your knee, but big range of motion with the arms. 30 seconds together, let's go. Strong, powerful arms. Let all the strength be driven from the hips. Focus on breathing. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Come on. Last 10 seconds and chop. Cross, chop. Almost there and done. Your third movement is the flutter kicks. Oh my God, I'm worried about my abs. But let's do this. Arms down, head down, feet together. Are we ready? 30 seconds and up. Remember the instructions? Your back must touch the floor. Keep your legs straight, knees soft, squeeze those abs. Last 10 seconds. The lower you take it, the more challenging it gets. Come on. Almost there, almost there. And done. Now rest for 15 seconds before we move into round 2. Take a deep breath. Grab a sip of water. Get ready for round 2, first movement, slow climbers. Let's go down to the mountain position and 30 seconds on the clock. Go. Come on. Shoulders getting stronger, abs getting stronger, and my legs getting stronger. What a powerful movement, this one. Come on, last 10 seconds now. Don't stop. Keep moving. And done. The second one is the cross chops. Are we ready? 30 seconds and go. Chop. One side to the other. You can go lower. Big range of motion. I really feel this one on my back. Last 10 seconds. On my obliques, shoulders, chest, and the legs. And done. The third movement. Let's go down for the flutter kick. Are we ready? Hands down, head down, shoulders down. 30 seconds and go. Keep your legs high up. You're not going to feel it too much in the midsection. But as you bring your legs lower, you're going to really feel the engagement around your abdomen. This is where you challenge yourself. Come on. You're in session 4. 10 seconds. Don't stop now. Let's finish this strong together. Come on. Come on. And done. Rest for 15 seconds before we move into round 3. Get your energy back. We gotta hit round 3 really strong. And ready. Round 3, movement 1, slow climber. Come on. This is the end now. Last one. Let's go. 30 seconds. Yes, your breathing is only going to help you make your movement more efficient. So breathe deep. Last 10 seconds. Come on. Whew. Come on. Almost done. Yes. And movement 2, cross chops. Get ready. 30 seconds. Go. Chop really strong. Just imagine that axe in your hand. Come on. One strong movement. I can even feel it on my quads as I go lower. My thighs are burning, my shoulders, my entire body. Come on, we're almost done. 10 seconds. Stay with me. And done. And for your finale, we have the Flutter Kicks. You ready? Position, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go. So start high up, squeeze your abs, and start taking it lower. Oh yes. Keep your back really close to the ground. Legs straight out. 10 seconds. Come on, come on. Don't stop now. Come on. And done. Okay, now let's get some cool down. Your first movement is the bridge hold. Go down on the floor, bend your knee, feet on the ground, arms to the side, and push that hip towards the ceiling and hold it right there. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. This one is really going to open up the hip flexors. Stretch them out. Hold. Squeeze your glutes while you're up there. Last 10 seconds, don't drop it. Breathe. And done. Your second one is the cobra. You can also call this the arch. Go down on your stomach. Keep your arms right beneath your shoulder, next to your chest, feet down, and lift up. Lift that chest up. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Relax your shoulders. Don't push it up towards your ear. Drop it down. Keep your elbows soft. Lift that chest up. Look straight. Ten seconds. Hold. This one's really stretching your abs. And done. Your third one is the child's pose. So go straight down, all fours, and drop your hips all the way down to your feet, your heel, and drop your head down. Hold this pose for 30 seconds. Let's go. Extend your arms out straight. This one will help you really stretch those lats. Ensure your hips have dropped down completely and your butt is in contact with your heel. Last 10 seconds. Hold the pose. And done. Wow. Are you sweating? Because I am. But don't worry. Nobody ever drowned in sweat. It's a good thing, you know. So that was session 4, my friend, and brilliant work. You're doing so well with your workout. What is the other thing you need to make it 100%? Eat right. So stick to your fruits and vegetables for your natural sugars and avoid all other added sugar. We've already sorted the deep fried food, but now I'd like you to focus on avoiding all the added sugar. And believe me, we can do this together. We can progress beautifully and we can get that flat stomach and that strong core. Okay? I will see you soon in session 5. Until then, take care, be safe, hydrate plenty, sleep well. Bye-bye.